The following stages and procedures are to perform a seat displacement. This practice assumes the vehicle is stabilised and the casualty is protected. Consider the use of hand tools to release the seat. This may be used, but is not limited to, removing persons who have underridden the seat. Stage 1 is to provide access to the seat. If required, remove the rear door, front door and B-pillar as per SWP's RCR 9, 10, 11 or 12. Stage 2 is to expose the seat mounting base. Option 1. Crush the sill, 150 mm either side of the access points required for the spreader tips to be located. Fold the crushed area down to expose the seat mounting base. Option 2. Make 2 relief cuts into the sill, 150 mm either side of the access points required for the spreader tips to be located. Avoid cutting the floor pan. Crush the sill panel between the 2 relief cuts. Stage 3 is to stabilise. Stabilise the area under the sill, directly below where the spreader will be located, to lift the seat up from the floor pan. Stage 4 is to secure the seat. Lash a rope and/or spread strap to the seat at the headrest or similar point on the seat. Stage 5 is to spread. Place one spreader tip on the sill and the other under the rear of the seat mounting point. The spreader must grip the metal part of the seat mount. Spread the seat upward slowly and pack the wedges into the gap as it increases. Maintain tension on the rope and/or spread strap as the seat lifts to prevent the seat dropping if the spreaders slip. Continue spreading until the seat mount fails and/or adequate space is achieved. This technique requires constant situational awareness, as there could be significant movement across the floor pan area where the casualty's feet are likely to be, as the seat back could intrude into other areas of the passenger compartment or impact onto solid objects. Hazards to be aware of are: the spreader slips in the process, the vehicle moves as spreading occurs, the seat drops unexpectedly, debris strikes the casualty, impacting SRS and other electronic devices, fuel lines, high voltage cabling. Control measures to employ are: ensure the spreaders have a solid grip on the metal prior to commencing the spread action. Continually pack the gaps and monitor stabilisation as the spread continues. Maintain tension on the rope or strap as the spread continues and lash off at completion. Utilise hard protection where required prior to commencing. Peel and peak with dynamic risk assessment. Check for high voltage cabling prior to cutting.